Hello, this video will go through step-by-step directions on how to make one large poster from a single PowerPoint slide for the student showcase. Your first step before viewing this video is to print the poster guideline sheet under presentation categories right here on the student showcase website. So if you click on the presentation categories, under each category there is a sheet that shows you the poster guidelines. These sheets will have more in-depth information on how to add graphics, font sizes, and formatting tips. So our first PowerPoint slide will be talking about the different sizes, because the poster projects, the table projects, the reading and performances, and the art exhibitions all have different sizes. So the first thing that you want to do is open a PowerPoint slide. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so here we're opening up the PowerPoint program. You're going to be selecting blank presentation. Okay, so before you want to add any content to your slide, you want to go to the design ribbon, which is 2 away from the home tab, and click on the design and then click on slide style. And you want to go down to custom slide style. And then for your particular slide or poster presentation or art performance or readings, you want to adjust the slide size to the poster that you are making for your particular project. So I will show you the poster project, which is 48 inches by 36 inches. So then you would click OK. You would click Maximize, and then you have your slide. So this is the slide that you're going to be working with, and if you notice in this corner here, it's at only 18%. Okay, so as you're adding your different graphics, you're going to be cutting and pasting and putting in different things, inserting tables and text and your name. But before you want to do that, you want to go to Format Background. Format Background is this underneath the Design tab as well, and you want to go to Format Background. And then you'll get this little menu up, and you want to click on Colors, and you want to click on More Colors. And this will come up with a color wheel. And you want to pick your background within 3 colors of the middle white. Okay, because you don't want your background to be too dark. If it's too dark, it's very hard to see. It's very hard to print. So you want to really do 3 before that. So I'm actually going to, let's do just a real pale purple. Okay, so now it is time to center your content on your slide. And the way to do this is you want to click on the View tab up on top and click on Ruler, Grid Lines, Guidelines, or Guidelines. And this will superimpose a grid on your poster so you can easily center your content. Please note, however, that some Macs do not carry some of these features. Okay, so you can use your zoom slide on the side in the lower right hand corner to view your poster at different resolutions. Use the Fit Slide to Current window to see the entire poster. Okay, so now it's time to add content. So you're going to be going back to the Home tab. I'm getting rid of colors. And for in the corner or in the center, wherever you want to add, but you need to include the following: your name, your mentor's name, and the college names the college name spelled out. So Niagara County Community College. It's important that your slide have the appropriate font sizes. For reference, a 100-point font is about 1 inch high. For the title, consider using a large bold font and make the font size between 72 and 120. For the subtitles, such as the author's name, school name, etc., use the same font as your title, but make the font size smaller than the title. A font size between 48 to 80 points usually works best. Please experiment with different font sizes so your poster suits your own style. For the section headings, abstract, introduction, results, works cited, use the same font as your title and subtitle, but make the font approximately 50% larger than the body text, between 36 to 72 points. Make sure that all the section headers are the same font size. For the body text, use a font that is readable. Make the font size between 24 to 48 points. Make sure that the body text is the same font throughout the entire poster. And last but not least, don't use all caps for any portion of your poster. It's harder to read and it looks like you're shouting. Okay, so for an example of the different font sizes, let me show you this sample student showcase from last year. Okay, so as you can see, this is a 48 by 36 poster on the opioid crisis. The title, if we click on the title, it is in Gill Sans and it is 99 font. Okay, the headings, the background and harm reduction and solution and even works cited are all Gill Sans, but they're at 57. Okay, while the text is at 40, and it is a different font. It's Arial, if you'll notice. Okay, so once you have, and notice too that the works cited is smaller than the rest of the text on your poster. Okay, and you want to add graphics, so make sure that you're definitely adding graphics because you do not want your poster to be all text. You want it to be visually appealing to your readers and to the judges and the audience at the student showcase. Okay, and please consider that the title is the first thing that your reader will look at, so your title should be interesting, easy to understand, and encourage the reader to check out your poster in more detail. Once you have the majority of the content added to your slide, it is a good idea to print an 8 by 11 copy to proofread, check layout issues, and share drafts with your mentor. To do this, go to File, Print. So File, Print. And under the full page slide option, you want to make sure that it is scaled to fit the paper. That is checked. And that you have a full page slide. Okay, and you also want to check off that it is in grayscale. Select your favorite printer and then print. Okay, so make sure you and your mentor proofread your slides several times before you send it in for printing. If you have any more questions, have your mentor contact the Student Showcase Committee. And happy designing. We look forward to seeing your creation.